Hey guys, you're here for another installment from Force 15. This is update 2 on Typhoon Meranti as of 17:45 UTC on the 12th of September 2016. Storm's location at 19.2 degrees north, 27.6 degrees east, with winds of 180 miles an hour, making it a Category 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale, the highest on the scale, and also now on par with Typhoon Nipartak. Nipartak's only just about ahead by air pressure of 5 millibars. Though I do believe now that Meranti is possibly now the strongest storm of the season, or very close to it. Yes, it is now, because 10-minute sustained winds are now 130 miles an hour. The Partak was 125. Also got pressure there of 905 millibars and a movement west-northwest at 15 miles an hour. One of the biggest storms that we've seen really since Patricia, this one. The storm's expected to take aim for Taiwan, possibly making landfall there as a weak Category 5 or possibly a strong Category 4, though major typhoon status is expected when the storm does make landfall. She's from the storm's forecast track, expected to possible landfall point in southern Taiwan. Possibly, it's an unpopulated area near the Kenting National Park. This is the latest data from Wikipedia. You see the storm's located at 19.2 north, 127.6 east, and with winds of 180 miles per hour, 1 minute sustained, and 130 to 10 minutes sustained. That storm is now the strongest because New Partak was only at 125 for 10 minutes sustained. Here's the satellite imagery, and here's the visible picture from Typhoon Meranti, and a very organised typhoon there, very angular looking. Not so much reminding me of Typhoon Haiyan at the moment. The storm looked good from the word go, really. Remind me a lot of Nipartak as well, actually. Here's the rainbow imagery, a very crystal clear eye. The cloud tops are cooling even as we speak. It's possibly, definitely going to be a major typhoon landfall in Taiwan. The Philippines, northern parts of Luzon are already feeling the first effects of this storm. Spiral bands affecting the region at the moment. Here's the AVN imagery. See the storm's intensifying. Some possible further intensification may be on the cards. Definitely conditions are there to support it. Here you can see the Dvorak imagery, and there's a T5, T6, you're possibly looking at T7 as well, in the centre there as well. If it gets to Dvorak T8, it will make it to 117 knots, which is 195 miles an hour plus. But we do not expect the storm at the moment to get to that intensity. Here's the funk top imagery, and again the storm is intensifying. Interest in Taiwan should be monitoring the system's progress quite closely, as this system will almost definitely make landfall with winds in excess of Category 3. And here's the water vapor imagery. No dry air around anywhere. It's all moist environment, which is conducive for tropical cyclone development. Developing story here, guys. It's a possibility that we may get some damage reported on the Philippines as well. Here you guys can see the sea surface temperatures. Sea surface temperatures sustainable over there. You see in the West Pacific. Elsewhere, parts of the Arabian Sea, also in the Gulfs there in Africa there as well. Very hot temperatures there. I think that's sort of like the Red Sea, the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea. And you see the Atlantic quite sustainable as well. Here's the West Pacific's wind shear maps. The head of Typhoon Meranti, the wind shear is literally letting the storm through. And you can also see, I think that's 18W behind Meranti as well, developing storm out there at the moment. Wind shear over there about 30 knots. Also tropical depression 19W, which has now made landfall in Vietnam. Now we'll just go on to reiterate the update now. So this is update 2 on Typhoon Meranti as of 17:45 UTC on the 12th of September 2016. Storm's location at 19.2 degrees north, 127.6 degrees east, with winds of 180 miles per hour, a pressure of 905 millibars, movement west-northwest at 15 miles an hour. But thank you guys for watching. That's all from me now. It's Force 15 signing off.